Can you make your own sunscreen? We're getting forwarded a couple of posts that are making the rounds on Instagram and TikTok and being asked, can we do this? Can we make our own sunscreen? I would say Charlotte Palomino said it really beautifully in a response to this as well. You can make a moisturizer with zinc, but it's not a sunscreen because you have no idea, because it hasn't been tested, what the sun protection factor is in that product. For instance, titanium dioxide is in a ton of complexion products because it's used as white. You use generally red, yellow, black, and white, sometimes green, to make skin tones. In our concealer, we have titanium dioxide, which is an active ingredient in sunscreens, in our concealer. But we're not getting it tested for sunscreen and saying, now put that all over your face and it's a sunscreen, because we didn't test it for that. So it's tough because you can have zinc from one manufacturer, zinc A, and then you can have zinc B from another manufacturer, 15% in both formula, and you can get a different SPF value factor from different zincs from different companies. There's so many different kinds of zinc. Like, you have no idea what's happening if you're just dumping it into a bowl that you microwaved. So don't do that, okay? Bye.